Hey, I'm Joey with Fearless Finds. This to show wireless visual tonsil stone removal kit is very, very impressive. This is the main thing, and then it does come with a tongue depressor, a water squirter, and then you turn this device on and there's the light at the end and there's like this rubber ring there. You get a lot of those replacements as well, so don't worry about getting that part dirty. They give you plenty of replacements. Okay, so I want to check out the camera and show this to you. Look at the detail here. This is not even that far back in my mouth. I'm not touching anything. And you can just see so much detail. It's incredible. It's complete with the 6 LED lights and it's got a wide angle. So I think that's why the detail is so good. And now check this out. You can take pictures, you can have a video of it, all stored and saved to your phone. It just connects through Wi-Fi to your phone and you're good to go. This is my hand. Look at the detail. I'm so impressed with this tool. You could use it for so much more than checking out your tonsils, but if that's your purpose, it will be really, really good to use because the camera is absolutely amazing. And this took me only a few seconds to set up and get going. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for this type of tool. I know you're going to love it. Well, I really hope that this review was helpful.